Are you tired of trading your time for money, day in and day out? What if you could design a life where work becomes optional, not obligatory? Why some people seem to effortlessly escape the 9-to-5 grind while others remain trapped? Let me show you how the top 3% not only break free from the job trap, but buy their freedom for good. I'll unveil the key strategies used by the top 3% to break free from traditional employment. By the end, you'll learn actionable steps to start building wealth and reclaiming your time. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Now let's break down the strategies. Strategy 1. They manufacture scarcity around their time. The top 3% don't find time, they engineer it. While most people are busy trying to fill every hour with tasks to feel productive, the wealthy understand that their time is a limited, high-value asset. They deliberately create artificial scarcity around their availability, not because they're arrogant, but because they've learned that saying yes too often is the fastest way to stay broke. Let's break the pattern. The average American works 60 hours per week, spends 2-3 hours daily on social media, and still says, "I don't have time." That's not a lack of time, it's a lack of priorities. Wealthy individuals protect their calendar like it's a $10 million investment portfolio. They don't attend every Zoom invite. They don't check email 47 times a day. They design systems that eliminate, automate, or delegate 80% of what keeps the middle class busy. Instead of running in circles, they carve out white space, thinking time, creative time, income-generating time. This one habit alone creates compound freedom. List 10 things you'll stop doing this week that drain energy, but don't produce income. Working 60 hours for someone else isn't hustle, it's modern-day digital slavery. But protecting just 3-4 hours a day to build your own assets, that's the blueprint for freedom. Number 2, they treat weekends like investment capital. Chris from Austin, Texas, a 31-year-old gym trainer earning $45K per year. Every weekend, he spent 10 hours building a YouTube fitness channel and launching a digital product. Fast forward 18 months, his weekend hustle now generates $14,000 per month in passive income. He's quit his job, moved to Bali, and runs his business remotely. If you waste your weekends, you're not just losing time, you're setting your future self up for dependency. The poor use weekends to forget their reality. The rich use weekends to change it. Apply the 48-hour wealth window rule. Dedicate at least 8 to 10 hours every weekend to high ROI tasks, content creation, market research, learning a high-income skill like copywriting, coding, or trading. While the majority treats weekends like a break, the top 3% treat them like a launch pad. They see every Saturday and Sunday not as time to binge Netflix or sleep in, but as compound interest hours for future freedom. But why the top 3% avoid job titles like a financial plague? Let's understand this in next strategy. Number 3. They escape the identity trap of job titles. Michael from Chicago was a senior operations executive for a Fortune 500 company, making $135K/year. But he hated the bureaucracy. He started posting content on LinkedIn about leadership and operations. Within 12 months, he built a community and launched a consulting business. Today, he makes over $25K/month, works with clients globally, and says, "Losing my title was the best thing that ever happened to me." Titles are golden handcuffs. They give you pride but steal your potential. Define yourself by the value you create, not the role you fill. Your job title might be the biggest lie you've been sold. It gives the illusion of progress while quietly trapping you in an identity that isn't really yours. The top 3% understand this trap and run from it. They don't need to be called senior analyst, VP, or team lead to feel successful. They build identities rooted in skills, value, and ownership, not corporate labels designed to keep them compliant. Build outside your role. Spend 1 to 2 hours every day learning a monetizable skill. Real freedom comes not from what's on your business card, but from what's in your bank, your calendar, and your control. Number 4. They rewire habits using environment design. Success isn't about discipline, it's about design. The top 3% don't rely on motivation to escape the job trap. They engineer their surroundings to make winning automatic. While most people are trying to force better habits with sheer will, the wealthy quietly reshape their environment, so success becomes the default. Your surroundings are silently scripting your behavior. A cluttered desk kills productivity. A phone on your bed destroys morning routines. Negative people around you? Sabotage your financial growth. The top 3% eliminate these friction points like termites in a wooden house because they know your environment either prints money or prints excuses. Follow 10 creators making 6 to 7 figures online. Leave 5 WhatsApp groups that only send memes. Replace noise with signals. Remove all social media apps from your phone Monday to Friday. Use Chrome extensions like Newsfeed Eradicator to block distractions while building your side. Hustle. Create a dedicated corner in your house. No distractions, no clutter, just books, a laptop, and vision boards. The fastest way to change your life is to change what's around you. Number 5, they build automated cash flow streams. The top 3% don't trade time for money forever. They build machines that make money while they sleep. While most people are stuck in jobs where income stops the moment they log off, the wealthy focus on cash flow systems that run even when they don't. They escape the job trap not by working harder, but by setting up streams of income that never call in sick. Kevin from Seattle was a customer support rep making $48K per year. He started creating Notion templates on weekends and set them up on Gumroad. 6 months in, he automated a funnel and now makes $7,500 per month passively, more than his job. He eventually quit and now helps others build digital products. If your income stops when you do, you don't own freedom, you rent it. The top 3% buy back time by building systems that spin off dollars without clocking in. Strategy. Number 6. They practice voluntary discomfort. When was the last time you did something that scared you? Started a business? Woke up at 5 a.m. without hitting snooze? Went a full weekend building instead of binging? Most people avoid discomfort like a disease. But what they don't realize is comfort is the disease. It keeps you soft, stuck, dependent. It's why so many stay in jobs they hate, because it's safe. Here's how the wealthy flip that script using voluntary discomfort as a strategy. They embrace boredom in wealth building. Want to build a portfolio? You'll have to sit through months of no dopamine while your index funds grow. They build grit through challenges, cold showers, intense workouts, fasting, waking up before sunrise. These are not trends, they're training sessions for resilience. They reject lifestyle inflation. Even when they earn 6 figures, they live like they still earn $40K. It's uncomfortable, but it's what builds real capital. Comfort is the enemy of growth, and discomfort is the rent you pay for freedom. The rich choose temporary pain to avoid permanent regret. The poor avoid discomfort and stay trapped forever. Number 7, they set a freedom number and obsess over it. Here's something the top 3% do that the rest completely ignore. They calculate exactly how much money they need to buy back their life, and then they chase it with tunnel vision. The wealthy chase one number, their freedom number, the amount of monthly income or invested capital needed to never need a job again. Calculate your freedom number. Add up bare minimum monthly expenses, rent, food, insurance, etc. Multiply by 12. That's your target. Obsess over it. Write it down. Visualize it. Build your income streams backward from it. You can't escape the job trap with vague goals. You need a number, a target, a mission. Because once your monthly needs are covered without a job, you're no longer an employee, you're free. Now you have the blueprint. Design scarcity around your time. Rewire your habits through energy and environment. Master asymmetric skill stacks. Automate your cash flows. Obsess over your freedom number. You don't have to do all things today, but you do have to start. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Our wealthy discussion will continue in the next video. Until then, keep building wealth.